Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about how to draw this beautiful peony flower in Procreate. But don't worry if you don't have Procreate app, you can use any software you are familiar with, and using the same techniques I'm using in this video, you can follow this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get start the video. So first of all, I'm going to Pinterest app to search some references for the peony flower. And here you go, we have these references here, but these are some digital flowers which I don't want. I want a realistic flower, real flower, which we can create as a digital art. So this peach flower I'm liking the most. I'm seeing some more references, but I know I like the one I have seen before, and this is the flower I'm liking the most. So I download the image and open this image in Procreate. So now I go to Procreate app, creating a new canvas. It's a square canvas. Dimensions are 2048 by 2048 pixels with 300 dpi. And now I do import a picture of flower here by inserting a photo. I make it fit to canvas. Now lower the opacity of the layer to 50 to 60%. Taking a new layer on top of reference layer, I'm selecting a black color, and from a sketching panel I'm using 6B pencil to sketch. So let's start sketching over the flower image, and let's do it fast forward. Here I'm done with the sketching over the flower picture. Now I do toggle off the reference layer, and here it is. So now let's start color filling in the flower. So for that, I turn the blend mode of the sketch layer to multiply and lower the opacity to barely see the sketch, and taking a new layer below the sketch layer to start color filling. So first of all, I'm making a color palette with few colors. I want to draw this peony in pink shade, so I'm selecting some hues of pink here. Take a new layer, and I'm opening a reference window here to get an idea about shadows and highlights here. So I'm starting outlining with the studio pen. Now drag and drop the color to fill in the shape, and take a new layer, apply clipping mask, and change the blend mode to multiply. Now I have take a tinderbox brush from inking section and applying some shadows. Selecting this hot pink shade and taking a new layer. Now I'm selecting technical pen to draw all the outlines. I'm done with outlines now. Taking a new layer and selecting this yellow shade, now I'm drawing the stamens of the flower with technical pen. Now going back to the shadows layer using a smudge tool with thinner box brush, I am applying strokes to create a petal look effect in the flower. I have added my screen in the reference window to get an idea about how shadows are look in the flower, because whenever you are working closely, so you have to go back, zoom out, and then you can see how your work is looking now. But with this trick you can have look in the reference window how your work is going. Try this out, so this trick might be helpful for you sometime. I am adding more strokes now wherever I want to add more shadows. Now I'm done with shadows, but the outline color I'm seeing a bit lighter for me, so I'm going to the layer, select it, and color fill to automatically change the color of the outline layer. Now I'm taking a new layer on the top of base layer and changing the blend mode to multiply, and using soft brush I'm applying some gentle strokes to create more depth in a flower. Also, wherever it needs, I do smudging with hard brush. Now I'm applying Gaussian blur 3 to 4% to little bit blend out the shadows. Now going back to the stamens layer, turn on alpha lock using dry ink brush, and with darker yellow ochre kind of a shade I'm applying some shadows in stamens to create a look of stamens and some depth. Also applying highlights same way with lightest shade. Now taking a new layer on top of stamens layer, turn the blend mode of the layer to add, and with the same pink shade now I am applying some highlights with the same dry ink brush. Here we go, this peony is ready, and now this step is totally optional. Go to a top layer and insert a picture of paper texture so it will automatically on the top layer. Adjust the size of texture paper to the canvas. Now change the blend mode of that paper texture layer to multiply so it will give a nice texture to your flower. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Leave your feedback in comment section and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.